अच्छी वीडियो। Write down the third activity. To compare the tensile strength compare the tensile strength of different fibers of the same thickness and the same length. I am again repeating, but all of you have to write down with pencil on white page. Okay, no pen, and on that other line page you have to use pen. Okay, no one will write with the pen on the white page. Is it clear? Clear? Aim both side, material required both side. Okay, here is diagram, method, observation and conclusion. Is that clear? Write down the material required. Write down material required, that is thread of cotton, wool, thread of cotton, wool, silk, thread of cotton, wool, silk, nylon, iron stand, nylon, iron stand, dates. Okay. Dates. ठीक है जी. अब what we will do in the method? What we will do? Method or the procedure. What is the procedure? हम क्या करेंगे procedure में? हम what we will do? We will take a look here. Okay, this is clamp. इसके बीच में we will fix the thread. ठीक है जी. Here that is they had the tie up here. We can do it like this. Right? We will tie this thread. Right? Visibility है. Right? Now what we will do? Add the weight on it. ठीक है? As we are adding, मेरे हाथ पे पहले आ रहा है. Right? It will break. ये कौन सा thread था? Silk. Silk is what? Natural fiber or synthetic? ठीक है? That means it has a beak. Like this beak. Now, in the same way, you can use the cotton thread also, and here we are having it. This is the like it's not nylon, but it's a polyester. That is again the artificial fiber. है ना? As much as weight we are putting it here. It can break. It will not break. Okay, but as again we will do with the wool also, it will break. This is the polyester, like the mixture of, that is the synthetic fiber. Polyester is what? Synthetic fiber. That is man-made fiber. So it has a more tensile. Tensile strength meaning क्या करा था? It can hold weight without breaking. Is it clear? Is it clear, beta? Now, what we have to write down in the procedure, again you will write like these things. You will write down in procedure. क्या लिखेंगे? नोट करना है तो बेशक कर लो कि take a cotton thread. Yes, listen. Take a cotton thread. ठीक है? Tie it the one end to the clamp and hold the weight. Okay, and you will see the observation, and the other side again you will write down, take the another thread. I will send the pic. Is it clear? Activity is clear. First we will take a cotton thread. ठीक है, weight लगाएंगे, see या observe it. Then we will change the thread, that we will take the nylon thread or the wool or the silk. We will take it and write down the observation. But we observe that the nylon thread holds maximum number of the weight. Okay, and what is conclusion? Opposite of the activity. What is the conclusion? That is the nylon fibers or the synthetic fibers have, it shows that they conclude that the nylon fibers or the synthetic fibers have the high tensile strength as compared to the natural fibers. Okay, is it clear? सबको हाँ observation लिखनी. Now we will revise the chapter. Next week you are having a test of the synthetic fibers and plastics. Give me just quick review about this. What is fiber? Long, flexible, thread-like structure used to make fabric. What is fiber? These are the thread-like structure that is used to make the fabric. Clear? Okay. What kind of the fibers are there? Natural fibers and synthetic fibers. What do you mean by the natural fibers? Which are obtained by nature. Example, but which are obtained by nature or plants and animals. Okay. From plants, but we are getting cotton and jute, and from animals, but we are getting silk and wool. Okay. Synthetic fibers are those fibers which are man-made. Okay. These made with the help of the chemicals or in the laboratory. Clear है बेटे? Right? After that, synthetic fibers हमने discuss करा. Then polymer. What is polymer? Large number of small units when they combine together to form a big molecule, that is called polymer. That means small monomers combine together to form a big polymer, a big structure, that is called polymer. उसमें आपने करा था cotton fiber is a polymer made up of cellulose. यानी कि क्या था उसमें glucose combine करेंगे and what they will form? Cellulose. And what is the nylon? Amide. And what they will form? Cotton is cellulose. Cellulose कैसे बना? देखो, cotton that is made up of small unit of glucose. This small unit of glucose, when they will combine, they will form a cellulose, a big molecule that is called polymer, and these small units are called monomer. These small units are called monomer, right? And then in the same way, nylon, that is made with the help of the amide. Okay, ji? Amide molecules combine together to form a polyamide. Then, which material is used by the firefighters? Nomex. Okay, it is a special type of the fabric. Okay, that is used to, yeah, you can say fire resistant. Okay, then we had discussed the types of polymer. In types of polymer, first polymer we had discussed the rayon. Rayon is called artificial silk. Why it is called artificial silk? It has the same texture, yeah, same appearance as the silk, and it is prepared artificially. That's why it is called the artificial silk. What are the characteristics of the rayon? Acha, rayon is made with the help of wood pulp. Rayon is with the wood pulp, right? What are the characteristics of the rayon? Silk in appearance. Okay. ठीक है. Yes, Pravleen, unmute yourself.
मैम अगर हमें कॉटन का क्वेश्चन आ जाए कि यस मैम
Pravleen,
यस मैम
voice is not audible. Pravleen, चलिए, what are the different uses? It is used to make the sarees. Naturally, अगर artificial silk है, it is used to make the saree or the textile industry. और क्या बनेगा? Sarees, shirts, tire coats, okay. Bandages, okay. Rayon plus wool, okay. Rayon plus carpet, rayon plus cotton, bed sheet, okay. Bandages. Then second fiber that we had polymer is the nylon. Nylon is derived from New York and London in 1931. Okay. First they made the stockings. Okay, they made the stockings of the nylon. Nylon is a polymer. अब इसमें क्या करा था आपने? It is made with the help of the amide molecule. Okay, when the large number of the amide molecules combine together to form a big molecule, that is polyamide. Clear, bete? What are the characteristics of the nylon? Strong, luster, highly. Number of the qualities are there for the nylon. Resistant, highly elastic, less, not absorb water, wrinkle free, easy to wash, dry quickly, moth resistant, not attack via moth resistant. The same point I am saying, moth no, not attacked by the moth. Okay, या moth resistant. Okay, absorb less water. Number of the features nylon is having. Okay, जी. Then what are the uses? Naturally, stockings है, textile industry, shirts, ties, okay, ropes. क्योंकि it is a strong parachute, fishing nets. हाँ जी. Wait, हाँ जी. Bristles of toothbrush, climbing ropes. Number of the uses are there for the nylon. Badminton strings. Okay, if in any case I told you, if the question will come why it is using, then you have to explain according to its characteristic. Okay, uses है, then we have to write down the uses. But if they will ask why it is used to make this, in that case what we will do, we will explain the characteristic. That's why it is used in because of these properties. Okay, then next one is polyester. Polyester, what we had done, polymer made up of ester means fruity smell. ठीक है, अब इसके characteristics क्या है? Lightweight, strong, elastic, absorb less water, dry quickly. Used for making. Polyester is also wrinkle free. Sarees, curtains, sails, ठीक है, सेल फॉर सेल बोट्स, क्या कह रहे हो? कन्वेयर बेल्ट्स, फोर्सेस, ठीक है, फोर्सेस नहीं, होसेस है. अच्छा, मुझे फोर्सेस HOSES, फोर्सेस फॉर द फायर, लाइक फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर, जो पाइप्स हैं, ठीक है. Even you can say petroleum की जो pipes है, when we used to है ना fill our tanks, so the pipes these are made with this hoses. इसको हम hoses बोलते हैं. Then PET. What is PET? Polyethyl ethylene terephthalate. ठीक है. Polyethylene भी है and polyethylene terephthalate. What is used of polyethylene terephthalate? Used to make the bottles. ठीक है. For selling oils, cold drinks and all these जितनी भी accessories है for liquid purposes, these are made with the PET. What is PET? Polyethylene terephthalate. Then what we had discussed after this, acrylic fibers. ठीक है. Acrylic fiber is also called wool, artificial wool. ठीक है. It gives the warmth of the wool because it is not prepared by the animals. ये animals की fur से नहीं बनेगी. तो acrylic fiber जो है, these are the, they will give the warmth as the wool given. Is it clear? ठीक है. So it is strong, lightweight. ठीक है. और dyed with in different colors. So what are the uses? Sweaters, blankets, jackets और ठीक है जी. Then advantage of synthetic fiber. What are the different advantages? Number two, the properties that we discussed. These are the advantages. That is the wrinkle free है, light in weight है, durable है, less expensive है, different colors हैं, high tensile strength, lustrous, easy to dry. All these are the advantages. ठीक है जी. Then what we had discussed, disadvantages of synthetic fiber. No doubt, if the advantages are there, but still there are the disadvantages because these are made up of chemicals, so they cannot be decomposed easily. So if they are not decomposed easily, that means these are non-biodegradable. And if they are like not decomposed, that means they will cause the three pollution: air, soil, as well as the water. Okay, you have to explain that. Is it clear? Then we had discussed the plastic. What is plastic? Polymer made up of. Okay. In that case, we had discussed the two type of the plastic. Okay, thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic. Thermoplastic, what we had discussed. Thermoplastic, it can be molded again and again. Okay, and change the shape. मतलब we can convert into a desired shape. But what we had written in the thermosetting, once it's set, it will not soft on heating and it cannot be reprocessed, we can say. And what is the other point? It becomes soft on heating and the thermosetting, they will not. Okay, these are less tough, and these are they can be recycled, they cannot be. They are the less reactive to the high temperature, they are the more to the high temperature. They are the poor conductor of electricity, they are the good conductor of electricity. हो गया. Example, PVC, polythene, and on the other side bakelite, melamine and formica. ठीक है. In which bakelite and melamine, number of the questions we had discussed. Why switches are made up of the bakelite? Again property आ गई because these are the poor conductor of heat and electricity. That's why we used to make the switches and the plugs. Saucepan handles are made up of. ठीक है. Again the same, poor conductor of heat. Clear है? If the handles की बात हो रही है, that means we have to keep it on a fire. That means poor conductor of heat. And when the switches are there, that means we are talking about the electricity. That are the poor conductor of the electricity. Is it clear? After that, what we had discussed? Properties. What are the different properties of the plastics? Non-reactive. Okay, they will not show the reaction with the air, water, and the chemicals. That's why it is used to make the water tanks, containers, pipe fittings, sanitary fittings. Okay, all these things. Okay. Then strong and durable, we can give any other example, readily available, different colors. ठीक है. all these are the good points of the good conductor. May you have to write down again that क्या कहते हैं kitchen utensils are like non-stick Teflon. ठीक है, and then we have to write down the disadvantages, that is the harmful effect of the plastic, or we can say why it is called the bane. ठीक है, although it has a number of the uses, but still we are saying that it is not good for our health and the environment. How you can justify? ठीक है, so you have to write. कि आप कैसे justify करेंगे? You have to justify by taking the example कि if they will not decompose, these are non-biodegradable. If they will remain as it is in the soil, so they will decrease the soil fertility, okay, and causes the soil pollution. And if it is dumped in the water, okay, thrown in the water, then toxicity increases. They will increase the toxic substances, as well as you can say they will block the sewage, okay. And if we will throw it on the road, plastics and all that, the polythene bags with the leftover food, then the animals on the street, they will chew it, and they will get the you can say choke their digestive system as well as the respiratory. Okay, how we can prevent या preventive measures या what are the various measures we can use. तो हमारे पास क्या है 5 hours. 5 hours में first hour I told you refuse मना करना, right? Refuse. Second, reduce. If you are not able to refuse, then you have to reduce the substances. Instead of using the plastic bag, use the cotton and the jute bags. ठीक है, reduce कर दो. If not reduce is there, then reuse. Still, if we are using, then reuse. Use it as a different material, okay, for planting purpose, for storing the pulses and all that, okay, and then recycle. After that, try to recycle it, and last one is recover. Okay, any doubt? Without chapter, किसी को लग रहा है टाइम भी पूरा हो गया? अनीता को दे